Here the question is integration of, that is a problem 2, integration of cos 7x into cos 2x into dx. So we do that, compare. What is the form? The form is integration of cos A cos B. So cos A cos B, here what is the form? The form is 2 cos A cos B. If there is 2 cos's are involved, that means cos is even function. So therefore we get both terms are same. So we get the cos of A plus B plus of cos of A minus B. So therefore if it is taken as 1, we need to, here we have to 2. Here A is equal to 7x and B equal to 2x. We need to 2, but here we do not have a 2 term, so that's why we do that, multiply and divided by 2. So therefore we get that 1 by 2 into integral of 2 into cos 7x into cos 2x into dx. That is 2 cos A cos B. If there is 2 cos A cos B, it can be written as cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Since from 1, it can be written as 1 by 2 into integral of cos of 7x plus 2x plus cos of 7x minus 2x into dx. So therefore 1 by 2 into integral of cos of 9x plus cos of 5x into dx. Do the integration separate. We get that 1 by 2 into integration of cos 9x into dx, integration of cos 5x into dx. So therefore 1 by 2 into integration of cos, nothing but a sin 9x by 9 plus sin 5x by 5 plus c. So finally we get that sin 9x by 18 plus sin 5x by 10 plus c. So here what we do that, we do that integration of cos 7x into cos 2x into dx. This is the form is cos A cos B, integration of cos A cos B, and we have a model. What is the model? 2 cos A cos B, nothing but cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. The given that 2 cos's, the 2 are cos, so cos is nothing but it is even, both are same. So then even function, even is nothing but a cos, and we have a cos, so therefore we have cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Suppose if there is a, both are okay, and if we compare that A is equal to 7x and B equal to 2x, we do not have a 2 here, so that's why we do that, multiply and divided by 2. So therefore we get 1 by 2 into 2 cos 7x into cos 2x into dx. From 1, this is a formula will be applied, cos 7x plus 2x plus cos of 7x minus 2x. This is nothing but cos 9x plus cos 5x into dx. Separate that integration, 1 by 2 into integral of cos 9x into dx and integral of cos 9x. Integration of cos, nothing but sin 9x by 9 and sin 5x by 5. So here we written as a formula, integration of cos x is nothing but sin x. And here the main note is, this form is cos A cos B. It is not equal to, that is cos 7x cos A cos B or any form. that is sin power mx and cos power nx. Suppose if there is a cos 2x, cos 3x, sin 4x, it is not equal to cos cubed x into sin power x. So both models are different. Both models are different. Don't confuse. Okay, and the last problem is cos A sin B. Integral of cos 5x into sin 5x into dx. So here what is the form? The form is cos A sin B. The first is cos and next one is sin. This is nothing but cos A sin B, nothing but sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. That is 2 cos A cos B. But here we do not have a 2. Here that A is equal to 5x and B equal to 3x. We do not have 2. We do not have 2 in a question. So therefore multiply and divided by 2. That is 1 by 2 into integral of 2 cos 5x into sin 3x into dx. It is a 1. So therefore 1 by 2 into this form is 2 cos A cos B is nothing but sin A plus B, that is sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. So therefore 1 by 2 into integral of sin 8x minus sin 2x into dx. Separate the integral, that is 1 by 2 into integral of sin 8x minus integral of sin 2x into dx. So therefore 1 by 2 into integration of sin, nothing but a cos minus cos 8x by 8 minus of minus cos 2x by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 into cos 2x by 2 minus cos 8x by 2 plus c. So we get that cos 2x by 4 minus cos 8x, cos 2x by 2 minus cos 8x by 16 plus c. Okay. So here the form is the given question is integration of cos 5x into sin 3x. The first term is cos and next term is sin. If the first term is here one cos and one sin is involved, that means odd function. It is an odd. That means what is the odd function? Sin. And first it is given as a cos. So we have a minus sign is involved. So therefore it is 2 cos A sin B is nothing but sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So here what is A? A is nothing but 5x and B is nothing but 3x. But in the given question we do not have a 2. So for that we do that multiply and divided by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 into cos 5x into cos 3x. So from 1 it is sin 5x plus 3x, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Apply the formula, we get that sin 8x minus sin 2x. Separate the integration, that is integration of sin 8x into dx minus integration of sin 2x into dx. And we know that integration of sin nothing but a minus cos 8x by 8 minus of minus cot 2x by 2. So this is minus into minus, we get a plus. So we get that cos 2x by 2 minus cos 8x by 8. So therefore 2 into 2, 4, that is nothing but, so it is cos 2x by 4 minus cos 8x by 16 plus c. Okay, so the problem is completed.